Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best flip phone prop is probably one of the most iconic gadgets ever, and it's back. Today, we're diving deep into this awesome prop, exploring its design, features, and overall appeal. Whether you're a film student, a cosplayer, or just someone who loves the retro aesthetic, this prop is sure to catch your eye. We'll cover everything from its build quality to its realistic details, so you can decide if it's the perfect addition to your collection. Number 5. Lamicall Gooseneck Phone Holder. Tired of shaky phone holders? This upgraded version features improved materials and design for enhanced stability and durability. It's built to last, so you can enjoy hands-free use without worry. Whether you're watching movies in bed, video calling, or recording videos, this holder has you covered. It's perfect for various uses, making your life easier and more convenient. With an adjustable clamp, it easily attaches to beds, desks, and more. The non-slip base protects your furniture, providing a secure and scratch-free hold. The 33.4-inch arm is made with a sturdy aluminum-magnesium alloy core. It's strong enough to hold your phone securely, yet flexible enough to adjust to your perfect viewing angle, relieving neck pain. This holder supports phones from 4 to 7 inches, including iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models. It's designed to accommodate almost any smartphone, making it a versatile choice. What we like? This gooseneck phone holder boasts a stable and durable design, ensuring your phone stays secure. It's perfect for hands-free viewing in bed or on the desk. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable phone holder for various scenarios, you should consider this. What people say. The stock is rigid enough to be able to manipulate it where you want it and it stays there. The arm is solid thanks to the aluminum magnesium core, and the 360-degree rotation makes switching between portrait and landscape quick. This is a quality sturdy product that has few moving parts and no electronic gadgets that could eventually fail. Number 4. Flight Flap Airplane Phone Holder. Tired of neck and back pain during travel? This phone holder allows you to view content at eye level. It keeps your hands free, making your journey more enjoyable. This holder fits a wide range of devices. Whether it's your phone, tablet, e-reader, or even a handheld gaming console, it has you covered. The holder folds and bends to adjust to your device. It retains its shape and secures your device at any angle, providing stability wherever you are. It's extremely lightweight and sleek. The design folds flat, making it easy to fit into any bag or carry-on. It's perfect for travel. Use it for watching movies, streaming workouts, or hosting video calls. The holder grips your device and provides comfortable viewing anywhere. What we like? The airplane phone holder is designed for comfortable travel, with a flexible arm that adjusts to any angle. It's compact and easy to pack, making it a great travel accessory. If you frequently travel and want a convenient way to enjoy your phone, you should consider this. What people say. With this, I did not have to have my tray table down to work on my fiber arts. Works great at holding up phones, battery packs, and even headphones, not all at the same time. It's super light, holds up my phone, offers no TSA hassle, no stewardess grief, and it slides into my bag next to my notebook just fine. Number 3. Klearlook Silicone Suction Cup Phone Mount. Introducing the Klearlook Phone Mount. This innovative design allows you to easily fix your phone to mirrors, windows, and other smooth surfaces. It's perfect for hands-free use. The sticky grip boasts multiple suction cups for a stronger hold. You don't have to worry about your phone falling. Unlike others, this can be removed and reused anytime. Perfect for creators, this mount lets you create high-quality videos. It allows complete freedom of movement, ensuring steady captures every time. Compatible with phones from 6.1 to 7.2 inches. You can free up your hands to take photos, watch videos, or make calls in various places. It also serves as a convenient desktop stand. Experience the skin-friendly comfort of this premium grip. It can be easily removed without residue and is washable for repeated use. The suction's duration depends on the surface. It's recommended to use it for a maximum of 30 minutes at a time to prevent the phone from falling. If the product arrives damaged, contact Klearlook directly for a resolution. We value every customer's shopping experience. What we like? This phone holder features strong suction cups for secure attachment to various surfaces, allowing for hands-free use. It's perfect for content creators or anyone needing a stable mount for photos and videos. If you are looking for a versatile and reusable phone holder, you should consider this. What people say. The phone looks and feels very realistic. The size is perfect and the hinge is smooth. It's a great prop for photo shoots and videos. Number 2. Infantino Flip and Peak Fun Phone. This is the Infantino Flip and Peak Fun Phone. It's designed for little hands to grasp easily. The phone is a fun way to engage your baby. The phone helps your baby learn both English and Spanish. It features 3 English and 3 Spanish phrases. It's a great tool for early language development. It includes a fun peekaboo mirror. Babies love to look at themselves and play. This feature adds an extra layer of engagement. The phone has sound effects to keep your baby entertained. These sounds add to the fun and help stimulate their senses. It's a great way to keep them engaged. The phone is easy for little hands to hold. It's designed with babies in mind. The size and shape make it perfect for them to play with. What we like. This fun phone helps babies learn English and Spanish with engaging sound effects and a peekaboo mirror. It's designed to be easy for little hands to grasp. If you have a baby and want an interactive toy that encourages language development, you should consider this. What people say. The quality of this phone is solid. It works and looks exactly as advertised. Looks like the old flip phone. Number 1. Zoo 3D Animation Kit, Unleash Creativity for Kids. Want to create amazing animated movies with your kids? This kit is the perfect way to spend quality time together. It's a fun and engaging activity for the whole family. Let your children's creativity run wild. They'll love bringing their ideas to life and creating their own animated worlds. Watch as they build and rebuild their own experiences. This stop-motion animation kit includes everything you need: software licenses, a webcam, a green screen, and more. It's easy to use and packed with features, perfect for schools and homes. We're here to help. This kit comes with full software support. If you have any issues, our tech team will assist you right away. We'll make sure everything works perfectly for you. Use Legos, clay, or toys to build your perfect fantasy world. Recreate scenes from your favorite movies and video games. It's a great way to make your child's dreams come true. What we like. This kit provides everything kids need to create stop-motion animations, including software, a camera, and accessories. It's a great way to encourage creativity and spend quality time with your children. If you like fostering creativity and fun with your kids, you should consider this. What people say. The phone looks and feels very realistic. The screen is a perfect size and the buttons are easy to press. The flip action is smooth and satisfying. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.